Hey everyone, it's Mona here at Craft Clutch. Just because Halloween is over doesn't mean we don't need a couple more pumpkins. We have Thanksgiving after all. So today I'm going to take a piece of cedar that I found in the garage, just a scrap piece of cedar, and I'm going to use it to make a couple of pumpkins. Perfect for your Thanksgiving decorations. I have a piece of scrap wood and I already drew out a pumpkin template. I'm going to trace it right onto here. And since there's room for two, we're going to do two. I'm going to use whatever orange I have on hand. None of them are pumpkin orange. They range from poppy to apricot. And then we got a little brown. I'm going to take all three on my brush and just streak it. Take a paper towel. Wipe off any excess. And the cracks give it a little extra character, as do the knots. And then once you have it painted, you just set it aside to dry. Now we're going to take a little bit of brown on the same brush. I've not washed it off or anything. We'll just put it right on there. Now we have these adorable pumpkins, and you can see the wood grain through it, which is great, and it gives it a little texture so we don't have to do anything special. We got our stems. You can leave them like this and they look great, but we're going to do something a little bit extra. Now we're going to take a pop can, any pop can, carefully poke a hole in it, so be careful when you do this, and start cutting around. Whatever pop can, doesn't matter. Don't worry about the color, the brand, the anything. So now you have a piece of metal, and I'm going to try to cut what will roughly, hopefully, look like a pumpkin leaf. I'm going to take a hole punch. We'll see if this is big enough. You don't want to go too close to the edge with the hole punch. All right, now what I'm going to do is, you want to use anything that will stick to metal. So it could be any kind of glue, any kind of finish, anything that sticks to metal. Okay, and I'm going to take a combination of green glitter and a little copper to mix in there, and a little more green. And then you have a pretty leaf. You're going to let it dry and then do the other side. So I have my wire. You can take a skewer stick, a dowel, anything you want to use, and I'm simply going to twist it around. Snip it. I'm going to take my rotary tool and I'm going to drill a couple holes. Add a little bit of glue, and then take the end, put it through the hole, and put it down in there. And you can bend the tendril any way you want. You can shorten it if you wanted to, but here is the pumpkin. And you've got this beautiful glitter leaf with kind of a rustic scrap wood pumpkin. There you go, 2 simple pumpkins for your fall decorating. Here are the pumpkins all finished. They look great. You can still see the wood grain through them, but it just has a wash of the different oranges and the brown. And then you can see the glitter on top of the leaves, and then the tendrils from the wire. These can stand anywhere. You could put it as part of your centerpiece because both sides are finished. You could just have it maybe on a table by the front door, welcoming guests. You could really put them just anywhere as a little accent. Definitely fall. So I hope you guys like it, and I hope you give it a try. I want you to have the happiest of holidays. Happy Thanksgiving, and I'll definitely see you next time. Remember, life's too short not to shimmer, so grab your glue gun and your glitter. Stay safe. Bye, guys.